Showing you today is some features in Google Maps that you could actually use. They've added some things onto the Google Drive for Google Maps as well. So when you're in Google Maps and you're logged in, you can see my logo in the upper right-hand corner. You could actually create your own maps in Google Maps. So if you click on the upper left-hand corner where the menu button is, you could see Your Places is down there. If you click on Your Places, right, I could do maps all the way to the right. And you can see these are different maps that I've saved in here. So I have one for Holden Caulfield for Catcher in the Rye, right, in New York City. These are all locations that Holden Caulfield had visited in the book, Catcher in the Rye. I dropped pins into the city, right? And then there's a walking tour of Barcelona, right, that I saved from online. It takes you to all these different locations. It gives you a description. There are links that are in there. There's one that's here for a Jack the Ripper tour in England. So you can go to all the different locations around the city where Jack the Ripper was. There's also the travels of Marco Polo. If I click on the copy, so you can see all these different locations Marco Polo was, different regions that he was in. So you can see that all through here. Now, why that's kind of interesting is you could actually create a map. So down here, if you click on the create a map button, it'll open up a new window and you can give it a title for your map. So I'll just call it test one. You could add a description that's here, right, and hit save. Right, and this could be a neat sort of project for your students, whether you're reading Frankenstein and you want them to drop pins in Europe, or whether you want them to be doing a battles chart or map for the Civil War. You can kind of do this all over, and the kids could actually share their maps with each other. Right, and one of the neat things is when you create a map in Google Maps, they added into your drive. So if I go to drive.google.com and I search Holden Caulfield, right, you can see my map for Holden Caulfield is in here, as well as a project description that I created for Catcher in the Rye. But the map will actually drop into your drive that you create. And what you could do is actually share this with peers. So say you wanted to have a group of students work together on creating a map for the Mongols. They can share it out with each other, all be working on the map at the same time, dropping pins all over the place and adding in pictures and links. Could be a neat sort of project that you could do in the classroom using Google Maps across the curriculum, whether it's in an English class or a social studies class, a foreign language class, criminology class. Kind of a neat activity that you could do. And now there are some new features where it's actually in Google Drive as well. So kind of neat. If you are interested in using it, reach out to bsimpson@frhsd.com and we could set up a meeting time through the Teacher Coach Support Hub. Look forward to working with you.